Are you getting the failed to save item error when using AirDrop on your iPhone? It can be due to permission settings, file format issues, or storage limitations. Here is how to troubleshoot and fix this error step by step. Solution 1. Check iPhone storage. If your iPhone is low on storage, it might fail to save incoming AirDrop files. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Check your available storage. If storage is low, delete unneeded files or apps to free up space. After freeing up storage, try using AirDrop again. Solution 2. Change AirDrop settings. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap General, select AirDrop, choose Everyone for 10 minutes to make AirDrop visible and available to all nearby Apple devices. Check if AirDrop now appears in Control Center or Settings. Now restart your iPhone and check again. Solution 3. Restart the receiving app. If the error occurs with a specific app, restarting it may fix the issue. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen. To open the app switcher, swipe up on the app or the file should save the like photos or files to close it. Reopen the app and try using AirDrop again. Solution 4. Update iOS. Outdated software can cause errors with AirDrop files saving features. Go to Settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, update it. After updating, test AirDrop again to see if the issue is resolved. Following these steps should help resolve the failed to save item error in AirDrop on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, stay tuned for more iPhone troubleshooting tips. Let me know if you need further assistance.